So hello guys, I got a eye chair for Jamar. For Jamar. Oh my god, I don't know why I say Jamar, but Shavana, not Jamar. Oh god, for Shavana, because I can't be holding her in my hand and feeding her. So I got this off Amazon. It was, let me see, $35. It's foldable, and I really like that because I could store it away. So guys, we're gonna unbox it so you guys could see what it's like and what's my review about it. Okay, so Jamar gonna be unboxing, and this is what they say it's capable of doing. Let's tap it. It's flat, it's compact, and it go forward, and it got three position 3 with dishwasher safe insert, easy clean seat for simple cleanup. So Jamar gonna be opening it.
Okay, I need it now. Not my.
You can't do it. So I'm gonna be taking it out because Jamar to the minute, man, it's heavy.
Oh dear. It looks tiny.
Because it's full.
Hey, I'm doing my homework.
Wow, that's easy. So it was this. So you fold it like this.
And then
you release it.
Oh my god.
Let's kick these away. And it's easy snap and lock. Let's see how you close it.
Mama, let's try it out.
Ooh, I am.
What
I don't
is
even
that?
know where the book. Alright.
Is that a book or these screws?
Or the book, because they have some screw on there.
Wow.
Let's see.
Oh, it does have screws. So that means
It's got screws, so we're gonna look at the manual. This was a black piece that was in there, and you just slide it under the bottom. And these are the legs to put on the bottom.
Test it out, because you want to break it. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So now I'm gonna be like screwing on the foot. And it come with 4 legs, and you just screw it on. So Shavana is in the eye chair. Wow, is
I think the food.
Don't do that, Cece. Cece.
I just want to take it, Nani.
Let me move the plate. Let me move the plate. So I'm gonna be feeding her. This is string beans with apple. Okay, you know string beans don't have no taste to that. So overall, with the eye chair, I love it. It's very nice. And it's a Mickey, not a Mickey, a Minnie Mouse design, because you know she's a girl. And it have this little tray here. The only thing I don't like about here, it should have been up, I guess, so if the food gonna fall, it fall on it. But other from that, it's good. I'm definitely gonna show you guys how it closes. I'm gonna let you enjoy some of her meal. So this thing can come off like that. You see that? And
that's it.
This just slide out. It's wet, so I'm gonna put it to dry. And let's see if I know. Alright, I think I figured out how to close it. You gotta pull these off. Pull this off. The rest tray. Oh my god, this thing full of food. It still got food. And then you what the heck? It just said I should just fold it over. Why the heck I'm not figuring it out? to release trigger. Oh, I find it! You pull these two things, like there was two trigger thing on there. Let's zoom it in. So this thing right here, there's two of them. So you pull it, voila, and then it closes. There it is. Let's zoom it out. So there it is. It fold up. I don't even think you did have to take off the bottom piece. So that's it. And you fold it up and put it away. Oh shit. I guess I gotta put it down like that. There you go. Voila. Bye. Thank you for watching. So I hope you guys enjoy that eye chair. I think it's nice because it could fall away and not in your way. Like other eye chair, you just gotta be there. This could just tuck away from the crowd. See that? So that's perfect.